Austria defense.
Escandor wins the battle. How
Right.
about that, Coach Cholo? Asistio for 3. Yes! And that is his game since the days of Ateneo sa UAP.
Right.
So 12 na po ang abante ng Rain or Shine, approaching 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Alex Konov, second three of the ball game, nothing but net. So, off the handoff from Belga, bibigay kang Mark Borboran. Asistio, see some daylight, throws it up, and scores. Quick 4 points for Anton Asistio. Michael Phillips against Bo Belga. Oh, magandang matchup yan at the front court, 7 to shoot. Si Austria, balik ang Phillips for 2. So you can finish. So you can see yung good motor skills ni Michael Phillips.
That is right.
He's very fast for a front court player. Belga, nice ball fake on the drive and gets the 2. Yan yung laruan niya since his early days in the PBA. And here comes the De La Salle, fast break. Open shot from the corner. And Amos scores his first field goal dito sa ating tournament as a La Salle player. Almost deflected. Escandor now in the paint. Kicks it out to Mark Borboran. So first shot from the baseline.
Another assist from Francis Escandor.
Now here comes Amos. He'll try for 3.
Wow.
Yes! Quick 5 points for Mason Amos.
Showing us that range. Wala sa La Salle, but you have these weapons, no, coming in for the La Salle na naman this year. So,
And Phillips drills a 3.
so this would bring in a lot of promise.
So looks like Kevin Kiambao will check back in a few moments within the next dead ball. Oh, nice entry pass. Asistio for 2. And that is the game for Bo Belga.
The vision of this big guy.
Trying to overcome the challenge, pero Michael Phillips wins the battle inside. And here comes Ramiro. Goliana for 3. Yes! And it's now still a 2-possession game. So, may tangan ng bola dito. Bibigay kang Belga. And that's an assist. First assist for Felix Lemetti.
Blowing kisses upstairs.
Alian would tend to shoot. Looks to Kevin Kiambao. Low post. Tough shot.
Wow!
Somehow it falls. And 1. Superb play inside for KQ. Superb Finals MVP sa UAP last season. And he completes the 3-point play.
Excellent.
For Michael Phillips. So La Salle now coming back. And Kiambao looks for the ball. Goliana for 3. And we're tied at 38.
Good stroke for the
In the second period. Lemetti, great challenge by Michael Phillips. Loose ball and Rain or Shine still has the basketball. Sean, it's a 3. So he has that outside touch as well for Sean Ildefonso.
showing his range as well.
Exactly, Coach Cholo. And here comes Goliana on the other end. Baseline jumper.
Nice. Weapon jumper for Goliana.
So looks to
Francis Escandor.
he's still looking for his first field goal. Goliana, bullet pass to Makalalag. Layup is good. And that's poor transition defense for Rain or Shine. Pang na po ng isa ang La Salle. Dito sa ating second quarter. Lemetti in trouble. Allen the steal. And the layup. Second straight layup for De La Salle. 44-41.
Full press now for La Salle.
And
Wow.
Fuller gets the basket to go and 1.
The power of Fuller in this play.
Oo. No? Kaya tabla na po tayo at 44. 3 minutes remaining.
But of course,
Congo from the corner.
yes.
Austria cleans it up and gets the 2.
Credit also to the defense of De La Salle. No? They're leading now by 2 points.
Yung scrambling pressure on defense.
Yes.
So nagpapakitang gilas na ang La Salle against the professional Rain or Shine. The Fuller inside. And that will count and a foul.
The De La Salle defense, that is really their trademark. No? Looking at the bench of De La Salle. It's some a familiar face. Nakalaro namin ito sa university games. Si I think Coach Mono.
And a quick steal by La Salle. So the defense has ramped up in the second period for La Salle.
Wow.
Adams skying for 2. And the lead has changed hands.
Nice 3-point shot for Datu.
And Konov running the floor for two.
Alex Konov.
So impressive play, 50-47. Here comes Gian Mamuyak. Stops on a dime. And Nokum cleans it up. So that's 4 rebounds per game in the Philippine Cup sa PBA. So able to cut the deficit to within 1. On the other side, here comes Lasal. Good ball rotation. Konov, that's a 3.
Lethal from the rainbow area.
His first appearance for Luis Pablo in a Lasal uniform. So formerly played for the UP Fighting Maroons.
Oh,
That basket goes and 1 for EJ Abadam.
2 point.
4.4 seconds remaining. Nokum looking for the last shot. Fuller at the buzzer and was fouled on the 3-point shot.
Wow.
Looking to close out strong for the import ng Rain or Shine. It's the second contributions for Rain or Shine dito sa ating tournament. And hits 2 for 3 from the foul line. And that's the end of the first half. So a tight battle between the UAP champion and the PBA squad as De La Salle Green Archers takes a 55-51 lead at halftime. So the leading scorer for Rain or Shine with 13 points in the first half. Mamu, hang time, that's good.
Gian Mamuya.
And that's the first field goal. He was one of the key contributors sa kanyang dating team na Centro Escolar University. Doon sa kanyang kampanya sa UCBL. What a pass from Kevin Kiambao, able to spot the cutting Goliena.
Backdoor play.
An all-around game for Kevin Kiambao, just like his campaign sa UAP. That's Bo Belga against a double team. Basket counts in the foul. Oh, wait a minute. Belga got hooked by Goliena. Goliena and Bo Belga.
Isang kamay, oh.
Oh, yan yung usual free throw shooting routine ni Bo Belga.
Resign.
But on the other side, here comes LaSalle on the run. Goliena stops on a dime. That's good. Nothing but net.
Pull-up jumper.
So that's Goliena's jump shot. Comes Mamu.
So the aggressiveness, the hustle plays coming from Mamuyak.
Balik up Fuller.
Oh, there you go.
And that's an easy 2 for Aaron Fuller.
Faster pace this time for Rain or Shine.
And that's a one-handed shot. That's a fadeaway for Andre Karakut. And miss, offensive rebound, Marasigan. Offensive rebound, nice pass. Nako, kapos nga lang yung tira ni Austria. But Phillips gets it back and scores.
Mike Phillips.
And first field goal for Michael Phillips dito sa ating second half. Makes 2 for 2 from the foul line. So balik sa isang abante ng Rain or Shine. Kiamba from straight away. Hits a 3. Steady shooter, Kevin Kiambao.
Exactly. Ice in his veins. Babawi. Big goal.
Kontra ang Kiambao. Gets the roll.
Say,
Makakabawi din ako, sabi ni Bobel.
Oo naman.
Ayun, nakatanggap ng free lesson mula kang Bo Belga, si KQ.
Right, maangas pa rin eh.
Oo.
So naman,
Pareho sila number 28, ano?
Fuller. Good spin.
Nakakalabaw sa ilalim.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and one.
Down for Aaron Fuller.
So, Aaron Fuller muscling his way inside.
Mhm.
3-point opportunity for Aaron Fuller. Yes, sir.
Wow.
Matthew Rubico.
Ganda ng ball movement ng Lasal. Gumagalaw.
Oo. Nobody sticking the basketball as
Yes.
Marasigan drills the jump shot.
Ball movement, people movement. Ganda tingnan, ganda panoorin.
Unselfish basketball, kumbaga,
Yes.
for LaSalle on that last play.
That should be. Ganun talaga dapat laruin yung basketball eh. Hindi yung isolation.
As Mamuyak
Gian Mamuya.
makes the jump shot, trying to draw the foul, but no. Bibigay kang, that's Rubico. Now against Andre Karakut, the former Lasallian. Konov for 3.
Wow.
Got it! Still perfect, Coach Cholo.
Right where he left off, no?
Balik kang Andre Karakut. That's a tough fall away.
Wow.
And somehow it goes for Aaron Fuller.
So Rainer would favor Rainer Shine.
That was a bad miss mula kang Marasigan mula sa 3. Nokum skying. And Fuller
Yes.
cleans it up.
Right, there you go. Bumabalik agad yung Rainer Shine eh. Preventing De La Salle to run.
Oo, mabilis talaga yung pagbaba sa depensa ang Rainer
right.
Shine as Amos with a good catch and finish.
Yes.
Nothing serious on that injury sa kanyang left ankle as CJ Austria. And left side jumper is good. Underneath, Nokung will fight to shoot. And stolen by CJ Austria. Active hands at the defensive end. Austria goes to the cup.
CJ
And down to a 2-point game, Coach Cholo. CJ Austria manning the point. Goes inside, spins, wheeling and dealing and scoring.
Throwing that elbow again, but finished off with an N1 play.
Kung papasok na sa lineup ang Lasal in the upcoming the next season, so
Yes.
season 88.
Overtime ba to?
I'm not sure. Could be. Who knows? And the shot is good off the glass for Mason Amos. 82-78 for the LaSalle Green Archers. Nation as that shot missed by Jonard Clarito. He thought it was fouled. Here comes Kevin Kiambao. No look pass to Cortez for two. What a play for Kevin Kiambao.
number 6.
Nanonood dyan sa courtside, they're doing okay. So action continues. Clarito, aggressive for 2 and 1.
Mabuya.
Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League many years ago and completes the 3-point play. Kita ng Converge at ang Phoenix where Converge won in overtime. Makalalag. That's a tough shot. Somehow it falls.
Nice shot. Oh,
Borboran for 3. Knocks it down.
Borboran for 3.
So biglang bawi doon ang Rainer Shine. Kurt Abadam. Looks to CJ Austria. Plenty of time in the shot clock. Balik ang Abadam para sa 3. Yes! Big 3 for EJ Abadam. Ang dalawang kupunan.
grabe
As,
itong Lasal, ano?
Oo. Free throw line jumper for Michael Phillips.
Wow.
Mike Phillips.
De La Salle looking for the quick answer. Amos. Floater is good.
Grabe, no? From a big guy.
Further rebound for Michael
Naman.
Phillips. Babangga kontra kang Aaron Fuller. Nice hook shot for Michael Phillips.
They shouldn't allow that offensive
Tie or take a lead with a 3-point shot. Belga, extra pass. Mamu. Attacking baseline. Counted and one.
Now for Gian.
And just like that, Coach Cholo, we're tied at 99 for Mamu.
Oh, yes.
And the lead for the Rainer Shine Alaska Painters.
Was crucial. Here you go. They're leading now. So they've adjusted.
Jambao for 3. Got it!
Bumawi.
Nakabawi si KQ. Karakot. Bibigay ng pick si Aaron Fuller. Karakot. Looks for the opening. Gets inside. And the layup.
Very patient play for Karakot.
Down to a 1-point game. One last basket for Rainer Shine. Karakot. Looks to Belga. Inside to
Nice.
Fuller. Inside for 2. 1-point lead for Rainer Shine. Timeout De La Salle. And there's a pick by Aaron Fuller. There's a switch guarded by Amos. Mamu. Fall away. No. Uh-oh. And we're down to 4 seconds. Jambao stripped by Clarito. Clarito with the big steal. And Rainer Shine takes a 106-105 win over the defending UAP champions, the De La Salle Green Archers. What a game, Coach Cholo.
Yes, Rainer Shine escaped this game, you know. But again, hats off to De La Salle University for a great job, excellent job in this game.